Hey guys, welcome back. So it's been about 5 minutes since I made my last video, and I am taking these eye lights that I showed in the previous video, and I'm going to try to warm them up just a little bit. They're not bad right now, but they could be just a hair more orange. And instead of replacing lights, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the tint that I used to tint C-3PO. And now this stuff is essentially like an ink. So if you put it on, if you take it out of here and you put it on something, it dries really quickly. This is the SEM Candy Concentrate 03126 California Gold. This is the tint that I use to tint my gold when I do my chroming process. I am going to try this a little tiny bit on each light and see if it changes the color. I think that it will, and I think it'll be just enough. I could be totally wrong. This might be a massive failure, but the only way to know is to give it a shot. So put a little bit on each eye here, and it's okay if I get a little bit on the silver backing because it might just help bounce around a little bit of the yellow tone. Now, this is on here. Let's turn this on. And I don't know if you can see a difference. I can see a difference in person, but see how these look way more orange and these are white? That's basically perfect. So just going to paint these on the other ones, and that'll be it. So it's an extremely short video, but this works. I've done something similar a long time ago for my lights on my very first iteration of 3PO. I did a very similar thing, and it really helped a lot. And on that case, I used, what did I use? I used clear acrylic varnish with food coloring added to it. And I made kind of like an orangish food coloring, and I painted it on the lights just like I'm doing right now. And it really, really pulled it together. So now, turn these on. Yeah, way more orangey. I'm going to make sure that they're the same, so I'm going to give a little bit extra to the ones I did previously. Yeah, that looks much better. So that's the trick. That's it. Just a little bit of tint on your LEDs, and you can change the color. Now, you can probably go the other direction if you have, let's say you have like too much of a warm LED and you want to cool it down a little bit. You could probably add a little bit of blue and lift it. I'm not positive. Actually, a little bit of purple. If it's too warm, you add a little bit of purple. It should neutralize the yellow a little bit. Haven't tried it, but technically speaking, it should work. So anyway, that was the trick. Might be lame, but it's a good way to recolor some LEDs last minute if you have to. Clear, anything clear with a little bit of tint in it. Ink works well. If you got Sharpies that are a certain color, they might work. So anyway, give it a shot. Hopefully it's helpful to somebody. It's a really weird-ass video to make, but we'll see. See you guys soon.